I don't know if you can really hear me that good, but because we got this heat blasting. But we are at the bus stop, and I'm waiting on the bus to come. So today I'm gonna try to do this school vlog for y'all. I don't know. School vlogs have not been working out. I be forgetting to pull out my phone and record. So I'm gonna really try to push this one out today. So I'm gonna make sure I stay on top of it. Get the ball rolling. You feel me? But I'm gonna see y'all when the bus comes. And I don't know if I said this earlier, but today is late start. So late start, school just starts an hour later. So fun, right? But we still don't get half days, so it's kind of a win-lose situation. But yeah, so every class period today is gonna be like modified. So gonna see the nitty-gritty. So I'm on the bus now with Kenyatta. The bus has the best lighting. Yay! There she goes. So we're now pulling into the school. So let me put my book bag on. So I don't know if y'all can see us, but we're going into the school. So yeah, we usually have to wear our JROTC uniforms today.
We're really splitting the pole right now, bro.
No, come this way.
Why you put a
Oh, we try not to split the pole. But yeah, I think we're gonna go get breakfast. Are we gonna get breakfast? Well, you got. Oh, let's go see what they're giving out. They're supposed to be doing giving out. They're giving out stuff. Oh no.
Oh my God, it's Colin. Oh, it's cookies, bro. It's cookies, bro.
They're giving out cookies. So we're in the cafeteria, and school starts at 9:40. What time is it? Well, the first bell rings at 9:33, but the late bell rings at 9:40, and it's 9:07, so we got a little bit of time. Oh, hold up, let me get some napkins. I know your girl makes messes.
Boy, if you don't get...
And I'm about to get this pizza. This little... So we're putting on our stuff and about to eat. This is my nutritional breakfast. You see? Breakfast pizza, drink, and the ride or die. You know, that's... I don't know where none of my other friends are. So I'm just gonna wait till we finish and go back into the atrium. And that's when the school day is gonna really start, and this vlog is gonna really start to get fun for y'all. Brianna, say hey to my vlog. Okay, she fixed it. I said say hey, now fix your hair.
Hey Jojo's vlog.
Let me stop. But yeah.
Y'all, let's go to the JLTC room.
I'm not walking all the way down there. I'm really not.
You gotta go there for first. I want another
First period. This girl want another cookie.
Kiana, you wanna go?
Welcome to the JROTC room. JROTC is my first and second period, and we're not allowed to have our phones in there. So the next clip you'll see is me leaving first and second period. So yeah, just to let you know why the time gap is there. All right, so we're going to Passport, leaving JROTC, and she got a nice bracelet. Hold up, let me show you how this crap look like. Oh my God, look so nice. Hold on, let me hold it. Look at them diamonds. Okay, yeah. So her bracelet is fire. Oh my God, I need one. So, but yeah, we're going to Passport, and my passport is coloring. So, bye. I have to go to the orchestra room to color. Shouldn't I be in the art room? Confusion, but yeah. So I'll see y'all when I get there, because I don't want to look weird holding this phone, recording myself. So yeah. We're in the orchestra room. Zoran. Zozo. Zoran, look. There go Maddie. Maddie, look. Okay, the fit, okay. Yes. So let me go back to this. So now I'm walking into algebra. This kid's in here. Yeah, there she go.
Is it off? Is it off? What? Your video recording.
So now we're at lunch. Let's stop playing. So, yeah, we're at lunch. We're about to get some. Do you want to get subs or pizza? Let's get a sub. We haven't had a sub in a long time. Okay, well, I'll get back to y'all when we decide what we want to eat. So we decided that we're gonna get pizza. People are looking at me like I'm stupid. But yeah, I'll get back to y'all when we're sitting down at the table. So we decided on pizza and fries. This how it look. This how hers look. School food. But at the same time, what else am I gonna eat? So, and I finally can eat with my braces. That's, oh Lord. Why am I recording? It's a school vlog and you're in it. Look at Why are you whispering? So Latavia, she trying to run from the camera. Like, stop it. But we're on our way, well, I'm on my way to science. And that's my favorite subject, if you guys don't know. Which you probably don't. But yeah, so this is where I depart from my bestie. Bye, bestie. Where's she at? Oh, bye, bestie. Excuse me. Jamie! Oh my God. So yeah, I'm going to this class. See how the day goes. I'm telling you, this school is too big. Because I am tired. Just from walking. But yeah, I'll see you when I get into class. Now we're in science class. Woo. And this is my seat partner, Sutton. Say hi, Sutton. Hey, Sutton. Bye, y'all. And here's my favorite teacher. And here go Peyton. Why he just going? Why he just going licking it like that? Oh, the bell ringing. You just realized that?
Why is it not working?
So I'm an Avid, and my Avid teacher just put on Madison's jacket. I can't even point right. Madison, he put on her jacket.
Put it back on me.
It's like, now let me stop. But yeah, Ashley.
I'm about to get this.
But yeah, we're an Avid, and yeah. There go Ashley. Okay, let's look at the fit. Okay.
Ashley, what was that?
Let's look at the fit.
I
Okay.
got these yesterday. Fashion Nova.
You can sit down.
I forgot the
You won't be
price.
working at Fashion Nova unless you get done.
I was going to work at Fashion Nova.
Hey, Mr. Gayheart.
Hello.
This is. I'm done.
They ripped though.
Maybe on classroom, then you'll be done.
I did. Done and done. Done and done. I'm gone. She really want to fight. So now I'm home. I just finished eating good old Papa John's. And yeah, I'm tired. I think I might take a nap. I don't know what I'm going to do. Actually, I think I'm going to do my homework first because I've been waking up real late. But yeah, so thank you so much for watching this video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And turn on your post notifications. Bye, guys.